Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok not eligible for the For You feed. So first thing first, head over to your TikTok and select any video that shows not eligible and you have to delete it. This happens when your video is not original. For instance, if you save this video in your gallery section and upload it in your feed, that will mark as uneligible because that video was not original and you basically copied that video from some other creators. So if you think that your video is original and if it's still showing not eligible for the For You feed, here are the steps that you can take in order to fix it. Select three bar icon, settings and privacy, and then scroll all the way below. Select report a problem. Expand account and profile, then select profile page. Here other. And once this page loads up, select no. And under support ticket, you can simply type in your problem like even though your video is original, you are still being flagged as not eligible for your For You feed. If you have a screenshot that you would like to attach, tap on this button. And once done, select submit. And all you have to do is wait for a couple hours and TikTok will reply you back. You will see it under your notifications. This is how you can solve your problem, guys. Thank you for watching.